So you're looking to sell your Durham Region home, but wondering how to make the best first impression of your home that you can? Hey everyone, Brookelynn Napier, Realtor with the Dan Plowman Team Realty, and today I want to talk to you about curb appeal and why it matters so much. Curb appeal makes a significant difference on the chance of your home actually being sold. With a potential increase of up to 11% on the perceived outlook of a home just by doing some simple landscaping efforts, these are the numbers you want to look out for when looking to sell your home. While gorgeous trees or shrubbery on your property may seem like it will give a certain amount of charm to your home, it only will if potential buyers can see the home in the first place. Be sure to cut back where it seems necessary. Consider adding a new coat of paint to the outside of your home, as that itself may need some upkeep. It may seem expensive and not worth the effort right now, however, it's almost a guarantee that a freshly painted exterior is truly an investment for the value of your home. Cars will want to stop at the home that stands out to them on the street. An investment in your outdoor space is an investment in your home. This is usually a need for most potential home buyers. Beautiful patio spaces with clean decks, cozy outdoor furniture, vibrant flower pots, and more, making for a much more inviting living space. Remember, Durham Region home sellers, if you want to make your space potential home buyers can see themselves living in. One of the first things you will always notice about a home is freshly manicured bright green lawn. It will make for the perfect invitation for any potential homebuyer to truly appreciate and recognize the upkeep and only have the inside of the home to look forward to when settling down in. So while the idea of taking care of curb appeal may sound like a bit of an effort for some homeowners, it's worth it once you understand the first impression makes all the difference. Thanks so much for watching till the end of my video. What curb appeal do you love most about your home? Let me know in the comments. Please subscribe to the Dan Plowman Team YouTube channel so you can stay up to date with more real estate information. Again, it's Brookelynn Napier from the Dan Plowman Team, and I look forward to seeing you next time.